Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change or update your password on your Facebook on your phone. So you simply need to log into your Facebook app first. So this is my app here. In the bottom right hand corner you're going to tap on your icon for your personal page. Then it's going to bring up this information here. In the top middle right hand corner where the little gear icon is, you're going to tap on that. That's going to bring you to this page here. Now where it says here Meta Account Center, you're going to click on the See More in Accounts Center. So we're going to tap on this section here. Now from here you're going to click on Password and Security. Then you're going to click on Change Password at the very top. And then from here you're going to select the account you wish to change the password for. So we're going to select our main account at the top. Now once this loads, you can insert your current password and then re-input your new password. Once that is done, at the very bottom middle, you can then select change your password. That is all. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.